Be principled.
Word of the day. I would have to say this morning, afternoon, evening, night, time. I don't know what time you're watching this. Be a principled individual. Most of us will set the rules for ourselves. We know what we want. We know where we're headed to. But the main problem is principles. We are not principled. For an example, you want to buy something. So there's a principle of saving money. Somehow just spend money anyhow. You're not principled. You are studying. You know that you have to graduate by this time. You know you're supposed to start. You need this time for you to do the assignment. You know whatever it is that you're supposed to do. But you should spend time on TikTok, spend time on movies, spend time with friends. You're not principled. So I'd have to say to you, whatever it is that you are doing, that you want to attain rather or achieve, it needs you to be principled. It needs you to be selfish. Do that. Stay blessed.